Cutout.pro is a passport photo creator that is particularly intended to generate professional passport photos fast and easily with your own images. Open Cutout.pro and select Product for Passport Photo Creator. Upload your image simply by drag and drop. Cutout.pro removes the backgrounds from your photo and replaces it with a white background. You can also change the background color using the various options. Suit change, optional if your photo does not feature a formal clothes. Cutout.pro lets you digitally shift into a professional suit. You do not have to worry about manually scaling or cropping your image. Cutout.pro provides official photo sizes for a variety of countries, including the United States, China, India, and many more. You can also download image in HD format simply by click Download HD. Overall, Cutout.pro's Passport Photo Maker is a convenient and affordable option for creating professional passport photos at home.
I hope this video has been informative and helpful. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on computer hardware and other tech topics.